Hey guys, how's it going? I'm here now, along with this guy. I've been here this whole time doing all this mudding, just doing things and stuff because I know what I'm doing. But yeah,
Okay, what am I holding?
a mud catcher.
No, mud bud.
What's up
this?
close.
What's this?
That's a trowel.
No.
Whatever those things are called.
That's a 6-inch knife.
What? Oh, okay, cool. It's a knife.
What is this?
That's a mud. That's a mud
You're
tape
not even
holder.
showing them.
That's a mud tape holder. Yeah.
So we're gonna be
Anyways.
making fun of Fifi on this one a bit.
Yeah.
Because well, he enjoys it.
I don't.
No, these right here right now because well, we kind of need to. This one's gonna suck because it's right in the corner. But I need to get some tapes on this right away because this is now behind on the ceiling. So we gotta get this caught up so that we can let it dry. They're hoping to rent this out in a couple of weeks here actually.
Is that why they're supposed to be sharp?
You just end up getting sharp because you're utilizing them. It's fine polishing.
Yeah.
Using like stones and stuff. Kind of a thing over and over again repetitiveness. It's been a long time since I've done this kind of work, guys. But for family, I'll come out of retirement.
Yep.
And then before I even leave today, this isn't going to be dry, but I got to get another coat on it. Because like I said, we got to get it caught up to the rest of it. Be careful down here because if you get any debris in your mud, it'll ruin your mud. I'm not a professional, I just do what I do. So this is not really a how-to, you're gonna come along for the ride.
Just like me, I'm a professional at automotive.
Oh, you're the professional?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're instructing me on what to do?
Yeah.
Okay, well how am I doing so far?
Well, this isn't automotive, but I can tell you right now, you're doing it all wrong, man.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
What do I need to do better at?
You gotta be slow with it and consistent with no mud showing at all.
Oh, mud has to show.
Well, you're not even supposed to use the mud to begin with.
Oh.
So, yeah, that's your first mistake. Don't listen to me, guys. Had a tiring day. I got a headache.
You are a headache some days.
Yeah, some days.
So
You're
am I, though.
a headache. Yeah, you're a headache some days.
That's what makes us human. Alright, you want to show them what that looks like?
Yeah. I mean, you can. It's still ridges in the tape, so that's just one coat.
Well, those ridges are actually coming through from the cut.
Okay. That makes more sense.
How's that?
That's pretty nice. Look at that.
My tape slid down a little bit. I'm not worried about that.
No.
Now I gotta do this one. I didn't put this patch in, guys. This one was already put in. But as you can tell, there's already wet mud in here because I had to fill it because it was sunk in quite a bit. This one's gonna be a fun one. Can you grab me my 8-inch knife?
Let's see if I can figure it out. I think it's this.
That's a hawk.
It's this, right?
That's a hawk.
Oh, okay. Where is it? Is it this?
No, that's a light bulb.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think I found it. Huh. Is this it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, it's very scary.
See how far that sunk in there?
Oh, yeah.
That's why I want the 8-inch knife.
Yep.
We'll be back later, guys, once this is done.
Sounds good.
Alright, so Fifi here is going to do his first attempt at his first tape. Wish him luck. Don't be hard on him in the comments. He's never done this before.
Yep.
And he's literally watched 1 patch done, 2 patch, and now he's doing it on his own. Well, and he has 2 other tapes. So he's watched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tapes get done.
Down the wall or up the wall?
Start from the bottom up.
Like
Up the wall. Bottom up. Yep.
and then on the bottom one.
Yep. It's all in the angle of the knife. So even though you got it like that, feel the pressure I put? Now, take your knife this way and just gently rub it to spread it out even. Yep, enough. Tape time. Young man's learning.
Eventually.
Say thank you. He brought you a Pepsi.
Oh, thank you. To kind of measure it up.
And we just put it just under that tape that's there.
Makes it a little easier to have it on your belt. Almost finished. Is this top one good?
Pull up into the blade. and then twist sideways. Yeah.
More mud?
No, wipe your tape.
Wipe.
Yeah, wipe your tape.
Like that?
Yep. Hold it down at the bottom. No, use your knife.
Oh, you're supposed to use the knife?
Use your fingers to hold the tape.
Hmm?
Put your fingers where the knife is. Yeah.
Flat.
It's supposed to be flat. Now clean your knife. And use this guy to cover the whole thing.
More mud?
Nope.
Yes.
You want to get rid of all your edges. Remember to lean your knife, because you're not getting rid of your edge. And then lean it so it's this way. Now clean your knife and do it again. Get rid of this edge. Oh, that's the wrong edge. Like where you got the lip. So hold your knife like this.
Like that?
Because then when you put it on the wall, that finger pushes, that finger pushes.
Okay.
Then you want to take this edge off. So you center your knife, and then you push on the edge that you want taken off.
So, this one?
This one.
This one?
Yes. You still missed your edge. Come wider this way.
Come wider?
Yep. Towards me, towards me, towards me. Okay. It's good enough, so let that dry. Is it good enough? We'll let that dry. That's good enough, we'll let that dry.
Okay.
Now I gotta jump on stilts. Not that easy, is it?
No.
Stop messing with it.
Just leave it?
Yes, because you can make it so it ruins it. You don't want to take too much mud out. It's not that easy, is it?
It's not that easy.
A lot of people think that it's easy, but it's not.
No.
Last time I wore these, I was in cowboy boots. That was not comfortable.
Whoa.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start grabbing mud and slinging it on the ceiling now. So we'll come back in a little bit.
Update on the mudding. Started on the ceiling. Well, Gavin did, not me. I'm just the pooper scooper, the mud scooper. But as you can see, looking pretty nice.
Well, you can show them there's a really bad spot.
There's a
right in this section right here. I don't know if they can see it there.
I don't think we can.
Focus. There you go. So that's what it's looking like after the first coat. big divots and stuff like that, gouge lines.
But it's looking pretty good over here. Good focus.
You're gonna have to talk a little louder so they could hear you.
Yes.
No, I'm just putting wax on, wax off, Mr. Miyagi.
Wax on, wax off. Slowly but surely. This section took what, 10, 20 minutes?
Yeah. I forgot my 36-inch screen, or else it would be going a lot faster.
Nah.
But I'm doing pretty good at not getting any trowel lines, which is nice.
Yeah. And the mud is definitely stretching farther.
Oh yeah, well, twice as far.
Yeah. But yeah. Just a quick update. We'll probably be back when.
Halfway, probably.
How about halfway over to the door? But yeah.
Let them know what time it is right now.
It is 4:01. So, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, we're almost done. Halfway. Getting there. Now, I gotta squeeze behind you. Time to do my job.
Hey, Phoenix, can I borrow you?
Yeah, sure. Just gotta finish my job here. Picking up,
Seagull droppings.
yeah. Yep, that's it. That's all I gotta do. Hey guys, we're back from the mudding war. Yep. Yeah. Oh, yep. There's some. Jeez, there's some behind my.
He got me too, didn't he?
Yeah. Yeah, switch my hands real quick. Oh. Oh.
I wonder what that looks like on camera.
I don't know.
Ball flying at it.
Yeah, that's where you got me. Cool.
Well,
Anyway.
the camera, 'cause it's really annoying to clean mud off a camera, but I wanted to throw it at the camera.
Yeah.
Good enough, leave it like that?
Sure.
Considering the rest of it and how it looks?
Yeah.
Oh. It's my jacket.
It's your jacket anyways. Well, I think I got about half done.
Yeah, it's like what, 4:30 now?
That's about 4:30, 4:29. So, slow process, but hey.
Well, we also took a 10-minute break.
Yeah. But, see you guys when they're probably 3/4 done.
Or unless we have another war.
Yeah.
Do you want to have another war?
I think I've learned my lesson.
What lesson?
No lesson.
Driving or playing with mud's fun.
It is. Till you get hit.
Look at my weapon. Do you really want to play?
I'm gonna get that face full of mud. I'm gonna put this away now.
You just said you learned your lesson.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. we're about 2/3 done, I'd say. If I'd focus.
It's really hard to get it to focus.
Yeah. But yeah, we got just this chunk left and finishing up over here. How are you feeling right now?
Oh, I'm done. There's a reason why I retired.
Yep.
My neck and my back do not like doing this kind of stuff since a car accident.
Yeah.
So I am feeling it. It burns like in my neck. It's on fire right now. It's burning.
Yeah, it's not fun.
How many poop blocks have you got to pick up?
I've had 3 good chunks, but the rest are just tiny. So those don't really matter. Yeah, my job's been pretty hard. How about yours?
Oh, it's been easy, man.
Oh yeah. Cool.
I'm gonna take a break.
Yep. So we'll probably see you when this is all done. Cause it's
Well, you like
same
a
stuff.
little time lapse during it.
yeah, we'll probably do that. Yeah.
This is what Brother Garage likes to do. Help people.
Yep.
Even at the expense of our body.
I know my body's starting to feel it.
And there you guys, it's 5:22. We're back from break right now. He's practicing. So we just got a third left to do, and we'll let you know when we're done that. We'll give you a little time lapse. Guess the break's a little bit longer, guys.
A little bit longer. It's what time?
Like 5:24 right now.
Yeah.
Appreciate my auntie getting us some pizza and my uncle.
You really do.
It's Vancouver pizza.
Yeah.
I had it once before here. It was really good.
Oh
Yeah, so we're gonna finish this 1/3. Then we're gonna do that patch, and that patch coated.
What went on with this?
I don't know what happened over here.
Band-aid stuck on the wall?
Pretty much. Maybe I should fix that butt joint there.
How'd mine go? My little tape job.
Still wet.
What do you rate it out of 10? For the first time?
4.5.
4.5? You're still this top part is shit.
Yeah.
Excuse my language, but
And-
it is.
You weren't wide enough here with your mud originally.
Yeah. Then spread it evenly. Like that. Good.
Yeah, so I'd say 4.5, 5.
At least it's not a 0.
The tape's on, it's not a 0. Yeah, so this is what it looks like right now. After second coat, not sanded. Some spots are already starting to dry. Like right here, I can touch it, it's dry. I think it's looking pretty good. It's really hard to get the camera to focus for you guys on the ceiling.
Almost looks glittery.
You can see right in here, that's where that one patch was. It no longer shadows or anything, so that's pretty good. But we're gonna have our pizza, and we'll let you know what time it is when we get back to it.
Alright guys, all the pizza's gone. We're back.
Yeah, we kind of got distracted by some Brett Kessel.
Yep.
We're gonna tell you guys we're back.
But, oh boy, the camera's white.
Oh, can they not see anything?
Nope. Oh, you can kind of, okay, now we're back, okay. Oh, it's the lights. I see, okay. Well, they got this whole part up to here.
Yeah, well, we got distracted by Brett Kessel, so we gotta tell you when we're done.
Yeah.
But that was only like 1-2 songs, so 6 minutes.
Yeah, about 6 minutes. We're back, and I'm showing me now, but if the phone would show me, it's 5:54. So we got 3/4 of the way. 1 more quarter to do. How you feeling after food?
Well, after like a 25-minute break, I feel a lot better.
Yeah.
Ready to do this for another 5 minutes.
Yeah. So, probably see you when we're done. And anything else?
Phoenix thinks that he can figure out a way to beat me in a race, heads up. So that's going to be on the channel soon.
Oh yeah. My truck's gonna win. Trust me. All right. We'll see. We'll see you when we're done. All right, guys, we're back. The quarter that we had to do is now just a little corner. Quarter of a quarter of a quarter
Of a quarter.
of a quarter.
You leave that, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what the heck that was.
Yeah, me neither. There's still a little dot there.
What if God was one of us? Just a stranger on the bus. Yeah.
Yeah.
Show them the old ceiling.
It's a little bit of a white spot right there, man.
There.
Right there, right there.
That's dry.
Oh, okay. Ignore me, guys. And then we got a really, really bright white light here. She's looking good. How are you feeling, good sir?
Ready to sleep? How about you?
Yeah. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
So I think I'm gonna take the front tires off my truck for the race.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think that's the thing.
I think I'm gonna downgrade to the Toyota rims and tires.
I'll upgrade to the 35s.
Oh, okay. Okay. Are we gonna upgrade the van to like 40s?
I was thinking 37s.
37s?
Yeah. Considering you can't even hold a 35s, but yeah.
Hey, didn't you see it when I put it over?
Yeah, there's still a tire sitting over there.
Oh, well, I left it there for a comparison of what it'd look like. But I mean, it wouldn't rub too bad, would it? Yeah. Yeah. I don't. Oh, it's a speaker though. Well, what do you think? Job well done. Partially.
It's just gotta get sanded now.
Yep.
And I gotta jump down and do those.
Yeah.
So go give them a side to side view and up and down view.
Alright, so we got this one here. We got.
Would you guys like to see Phoenix on stilts?
Oh boy.
And this is the only way he's allowed to get on and off. In the middle of a room.
This is mine. It's questionable, but you know.
Not bad.
4 out of 10. Alright.
Well, you can let him see how I go trowel that, you know.
Yep.
Should I trowel it or knife it? What would you like to see?
Knife.
Knife? Mud bud?
Yep.
Okay.
Aren't we mud buds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you were putting dirt in here?
I wasn't. I was not. I was not.
Somehow that just got full of dirt?
Might have been wiped off, or oh, probably when I was moving the flooring.
And that's how you waste mud, guys.
Yep. Thanks, flooring. Appreciate it. We're gonna turn this off now.
Don't mind the noise, it's on my Uncle Russ stand here. Yes, I know the tapes are wet. As I said, we have to cheat this. Oh yeah, you want to be like that. Alright, now you won't be. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
See, just running it straight up the tape, I got a low spot there.
Yep.
Because I'm cheating it, it's got to be thick and heavy. Don't cheat on test, just cheat at work.
Yep.
Bang bang. Okay. Now I do have bigger knives, but he wanted to see me use a knife, so I figured I'd give myself a little bit more of a challenge. Good day. I wonder which knife I'm using.
Yeah, I wonder.
Contrarians you like to go see live.
Me?
Well, yeah, and the audience. They can.
Yeah, sure. Leave it in the comments if you want to. But,
Oh, chunky monkeys.
Chunky monkeys. Yeah, that's who I'd like to go see. Chunky monkeys.
I don't even know if it's a band. It probably
Ah.
is.
It kind of sounds like Arctic monkeys, but chunky monkeys. Cool.
Now this is only going to get one more coat after, and that'll be the polished coat. Oh yeah, that's a big chunk sticking out there. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a nail.
Oh, cool.
Right where the base plate went. Alright guys, how's that look? The first coat.
Shit, looks pretty darn good.
Leave me a comment, how's it look guys? It's not easy when you're doing it over wet mud and yeah. So I'll put this on with the knife and I'll wipe it off the trash.
Okay.
Just because this one's quite aggressive.
Right.
Ooh, chunky monkeys.
Get some more.
Look at that low spot.
Oh boy. Little nick there too.
Yeah, I got an itchy eyeball or nose ball or whatever right here is.
Yeah. Something of that lines.
Yeah, I got itchy.
Yeah.
Chunky monkey.
Chunky monkey.
once this dries, I can get rid of that hump at the top. I think that's a loose patch. I didn't check that one, it was already done.
What's that?
I said I didn't check that patch, it was already put in.
No.
Just punched mud. There you go, guys.
Sweet.
She done.
She done.
I got one more spot to do. But you guys don't need to watch that spot.
Yep, same thing. Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys. Part 2 of
We appreciate it.
fixing things. Like,
Comment.
subscribe.
We would
Thanks,
really
guys.
appreciate it. Thank you.